An exclusive and highly advanced component is utilized called the Invisiblend blending strand. A translucent hair thread as fine as a single hair that disappears upon contact with your scalp. These blending strands are joined together, forming a customized form of blending strands. Single individual hairs, one real hair at a time, is fed onto the blending strands. This duplicates the same way hair grows out of your scalp. Next, the blending strands are blended in between your existing hairs, which thicken or lengthen your hair in a purely natural way.